I will be doing a presentation on the laws of indices. This is one of the laws of indices. I will do a quick demonstration based off of this law. So, let's get straight to it. I will say 2 raised to power 2 multiplied by 2 raised to power 3. According to the law of indices shown on the whiteboard, the base will remain as 2 while the powers 2 and 3 are added up. This will result to 2 raised to power 5. Another quick demonstration would be 2 raised to power 4 multiplied by 2. Notice that there is no power on the second 2. The power is there, but it's not obvious. When solving a problem with a base that does not have an obvious power, it is okay to introduce power 1. Effectively, the next solution step would involve adding the powers. Thus, base 2 is raised to powers 4 plus 1. The solution would be base 2 raised to power 5. This exercise is meant to be a quick demonstration of one of the laws of indices. I would love to hear your thoughts on this math exercise and other exercises that I could solve. Please like and comment on the video for reach. If you would like more solved math exercises, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let's stay connected and continue learning. Stay tuned for other math exercises.